So today me and Bailey are going to show you how to do the crossover braid, one of our favourites, this one. So you'll start off by parting the hair through the middle all the way to the nape of the neck, trying to keep it nice and straight if you can. And then you'll go to the right hand side just above the ear and make a part there to the centre and tie an elastic in both of those sides. And then you'll go to the other side of the head and do the same. So just from the middle, just above the ear, making two more sections. And then using some wax spray. I love this spray, it just helps me with flyaways, keeping everything nice and neat. Now you're going to come to the right hand top section and we're going to do a Dutch braid. So that is taking a small section of hair, breaking it into three sections, and you're going to take the outside section underneath the middle, outside underneath the middle, underneath the middle, and then you'll start adding into that section that's gone underneath the middle. And you'll keep doing that all the way until you get to the centre of the head. So adding in those sections, keeping it nice and tight. And what I want you to do is sort of angle this braid back towards the centre of the head. So I'll kind of come out with the braid and then you want it to go back towards the centre over to that part line. So I'm just adding in these few sections now, keeping it nice and tight, getting it to the middle, and then you'll release the left bottom ponytail and you'll start adding in hair to the braid from that left hand side now. So you've sort of created that sort of braid going from the right, and the aim is to get it finishing at the left shoulder. So I'm just taking my time, making sure this braid is looking nice and tight and neat, adding in those sections, the nape of the neck, really trying to make sure I'm keeping it nice and tight. And then I'm going to start braiding down now, again keeping this braid really, really neat and tight today. I want to see if it'll stay in for a good couple of days. So once you've finished that left hand side, you'll just tie an elastic in there, and then you're going to come back to the top again. So again, you're taking a small section of hair, breaking it into three, and then you're going to start with outside section under the middle, do that twice more, and then you'll add in hair. So again, we're moving away from the part line to start with, and then you'll start angling that braid back towards the centre again. So just adding in these last few sections from that top left side. And then once you've run out of hair, what you're going to do is just do a few braids now. So you're just not adding any hair at this point, and you're trying to take that braid over the top of the original braid. So just do a few more sections for me. And then once you've made your way over that braid, you'll then release the bottom right hand section and you'll start adding in hair again. Again, keeping it nice and tight, nice and neat. Take your time, adding in those sections. Just coming to the last few sections now at the nape of the neck, really trying to keep that tight. And then again, you'll just braid that down nice and tight and neat. And I'm hoping that this is going to last now for quite some time. She loves gymnastics, so let's see. So Bailey's just showing the top there, doing a little turn. It's one of our favourite styles to do this is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.